Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, I am going to showcase Nokia keypad mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to set ringtone in Nokia keypad mobile. Friends, you want to set ringtone, you want to use Nokia keypad mobile ringtone setting. So friends, now let's see how to use Nokia keypad mobile ringtone setting one by one, step by step. Friends, we will talk about. So before starting video, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, in a Nokia keypad mobile, you want to use ringtone setting. You want to set ringtone, so you can set ringtone. Open your Nokia keypad mobile phone setting. After turn guys, Nokia keypad mobile phone setting, system setting you can use, connectivity setting you can use, date and time setting, language setting you can use. So how to use ringtone setting? First of all guys, you will have to turn on personalized setting. Sound setting we will select option, tap. Ringtone, you want to use ringtone setting in Nokia keypad mobile, you want to set ringtone, click here ringtone setting. You can use ringtone setting and you can set ringtone, and you can use ringtone setting in your Nokia keypad mobile. Select ringtone will set in your Nokia keypad mobile. So like the face, you can use Nokia keypad mobile ringtone setting, you can set ringtone, you can use ringtone setting in Nokia keypad mobile. Message alert sound fans you want to set, so you can set your message alert sound and you can use in Nokia keypad mobile. Vibration setting you can use notification alert, you can on. Volume you can increase and decrease. Keypad volume you can increase and decrease in Nokia mobile. So friends, you want to use ringtone settings. So first of all guys, open your phone setting. I am repeating. After on Nokia keypad mobile phone setting, personalized setting, sound setting, ringtone. Click on ringtone, select your ringtone sound and you can use. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends understood how to set ringtone in Nokia keypad mobile. Bye.